1910, California ushered in a new progressive state government. They put the question, should women be allowed to vote, on the ballot? But organizers only had 8 months to prepare for Election Day. They quickly made 90,000 Votes for Women buttons in Southern California alone. Suffragists distributed over 3 million pamphlets and translated tens of thousands into Spanish. Maria de Lopez, a Los Angeles high school teacher, knew suffragists needed Southern California's Latino support. She wrote and delivered California's first voter equality speeches in Spanish, rallying Latino communities into action. Her work paid off. California women won equal suffrage by just 3,587 votes, or 1 vote per precinct in the state. Cada voto cuenta. Every vote counts.